Hello people, I'm here once again to tell you to bring another mode of payment to you. This mode of payment is called Visa. It's called a Visa card is a and I have Mastercard. Both are another mode of payment. You can make payment by online or through ATM. You can cash your money through ATM or online. You can use it to buy goods online or pay for services online. Even from shops, you can just make it to pay at the point of sales, which is POS, or you go to your nearest ATM machine, which is an automated teller machine, to withdraw your money there. Where maybe you are in US or away from home, you can just make payment with this product. All you have to do is to go to your nearest bank and you open an account. From where you open an account, you are given, then you request for either a Visa card or a Mastercard. A Visa or Mastercard looks like something like this. Could be, let's say, Google. Let's go to Google. Visa card. Yeah. Let's come to images. Yes. So this is the Visa card. It depends on the country you are. It depends. Some might be issue Visa Gold, Visa Classic, all type of cards. It depends on which country you are using. And look here, the Visa card is linked with PayPal, where you can use PayPal. This is the one issued by PayPal, which is another mode of payment which I've talked about. And there's a lot of other mode of payments that I've talked about. Just check my YouTube channel and see. This one is for Visa card. Just go to your bank, apply for a bank account. Then you'll be asked if you'll be needing a Visa card or not, for you to make online payment or to make withdrawal. Maybe when you can't go to the bank and there's an ATM machine nearby your house or where you are going, or you are traveling. It is used in the airport for traveling. Is used for online payment. Wherever you go, you can see it there. And this is how it looks like. At least we see the logo there, Visa. And we have another one which is a Mastercard. Yes, something similar like that. This one too is issued from your bank. And just go to your bank, and then we issue you a Mastercard like that of Visa card. This is how it looks like. You see the Visa card logo here. You see the Visa card logo here. So, and you can also use even the Payoneer I've talked about earlier before on my video on my YouTube channel. I've talked about they issue a Mastercard for you to cash the money out from your country. When you open a Payoneer, if you don't know how to open a Payoneer, you can just go to my YouTube channel, watch the Payoneer video. Just search for successful business tips. Then from successful business tip, or you type successful business tip Payoneer or successful business tip PayPal, then you will see all what I'm talking about mode of payment. This is Visa and this is Mastercard. Sorry. So you just go to your bank and make and take an application. You fill the application, then you'll be issued with a Mastercard. The same thing goes to this Visa card. I hope what I've taught in this video is more educative. So these are the things you can use the cards to do. These are what people are talking about for payment, for receiving payment to your bank account. Likewise that of Visa. And if for shopping, UK offers Europe and Asia. It depends on where you're going. It is acceptable worldwide. So all you have to do is to inform your bank if you are going for a traveling, so that they can give you an approval, and so that they won't your request to withdraw money overseas won't be declined, so that your car won't be blocked for using it outside your country. That's it. I hope this video is useful. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.